then, Chloe, I'm going to make some predictions in a second on these business cards, but before we do anything else, I'm going to give you this envelope. In here is a prediction I've made ahead of time. I want to give you that from the outset. So that's the sort of prediction I've made ahead of time. I'm going to make some others in a moment based on the order of the cards. Now, I do want you to check they're just regular cards, and then I want you to shuffle them into shuffle them in a random order. Make sure they're just, is the box all right there? You seem to scrutinise that pretty heavily. Shuffle the cards like that, and then judging by the order, I'll try and sort of predict the outcome of events as they unfold. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have a look through at the order that you shuffled in, shuffle them into, and make some predictions based on the order. All right. Okay. Okay. Alright, I think I know. I'm going to say this first. I'm going to say that, and I'm going to say this. These two predictions I've made based on the order of the cards when you gave them back to me after they were shuffled. What I'd like you to do now is to cut off about half the cards. Alright, perfect, and we'll shuffle them up. Now, how many cards do you think you've cut off there, roughly?
About 30.
Okay, so give me a number between 1 and 30.
9.
9, alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which gives us a 5, alright? So, face up or face down?
Face up.
Okay, we'll do face up, 5 more cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which leads us to a 4, and if I deal another pile of cards, 3, 4 in that pile, we end up on the 3 of clubs. So we've ended up on the 3 of clubs. The number that you chose, 9, from the deck you shuffled, that led us to the 5 of spades. Had you have chosen the number 8, we would have had the Queen, and then this would have been a different card, and this would have been a different card. So you understand that the card that you've chosen from the outset has led us to these other cards here. So we ended up on the card that we've ended up on is the 3 of clubs, and here my written prediction here is card the 3 of. Could you want to turn it over and see what I've written there? The 3 of clubs.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little prediction of the future based on the order, and actually you can see that this one says total. And if we add them up, 5 and 4 is 9 and 3 is 12, and if you turn over the card that says total, you'll see 12. Wow. Now you see, the only way I could have accurately predicted this 3 of clubs and this 12 was if I had some foreknowledge of the number 9 that would lead us to this 5 here. And it's the 5 of spades in this case. And the envelope you've had from the very beginning, alright? So the number that you chose led us to this black 5. Open up the envelope and take out what's inside. A little slip of paper, and if you unfold it and read it out loud.
Your chosen number will lead to a black 5.
Your chosen number will lead to a black 5. We got 12, we got the 3 of clubs. Yeah, that little experiment went quite well.
Thanks.